And finally this evening, the South African rand fell to 18.7 per USD, its lowest since February, as political instability and budget issues weighed on investor sentiment. The Democratic Alliance's talks with the ANC have broken down, raising concern over the budget's revenue measures despite initial parliamentary approval. In currency news, in early trading, the rand was at 18.65, down 0.7% from Tuesday's close. Moreover, tensions with the US and uncertainty over global tariffs are further pressuring the currency. On the local bourse, the all-share index dropped minus 0.94%, with the financial 15 down minus 3.57%, and the top 40 index declining 0.92%. Stock market analyst Mishima Gama reports on today's market trends.
The rand weakened slightly yesterday. It was trading around 18.40 against the dollar and is now nearing a one-month low. There are two reasons why the rand is giving up some of its gains. The first reason is directed to the global economic volatility. So it's still the lingering US tariff imposition, with speculation pointing to a potential 20% levy on most imports. Then the US factory activity shrank in March for the first time this year, which is revealing the impact of these existing tariffs. But on a more positive note, our Purchasing Managers Index in South Africa, also known as the PMI figures, rose by 4% in March to 48.7, and this is the highest since October 2024. Though it's still below the 50 mark, because remember, a figure above 50 means that the economy is expanding, and a figure below 50 means that the economy is still in a recession. Those figures came out at 48.7, and this uptick hints that our economy is starting to improve a little. Also, our new vehicle sales surged, a reported 12.5% increase from March 2023, marking the best month for sales in 2 years. But despite this, the rand is still struggling a little. And this could be because investors are turning to safe haven assets like gold amidst all of these global issues that we're experiencing. The second reason is directed to the budget impasse. The Democratic Alliance announced that talks with the ruling ANC have collapsed. Though the budget cleared an initial hurdle in Parliament yesterday, lawmakers are raising concerns over its main revenue-generating measures. So apparently, if no compromise is reached and Parliament fails to improve these fiscal plans, the situation could ultimately result in new elections. And that will be quite interesting to see how that goes. So it seems as if the rand weakness is triggered mostly by international news and uncertainty than our local news, because if you remove the budget impasse, our economic indicators are showing a slight improvement in our economy.